What's up YouTube, it's Jashi, today with another Fundrise update episode. And this one will be probably the best one yet, because we ended the year with our highest return ever. But before we start, please like and subscribe to bless the YouTube algorithm and stay up to date with anything about Fundrise, crypto, stocks, becoming rich, financial independence, financial freedom, etc, etc. Also, please remember, this is not financial advice. Please always talk to a financial professional when it comes to investing. A little over 2 weeks ago, we were at $34,046, and I remember saying that I hope to end 2021 with $35K through $1,000 of appreciation. Well, it went much better than that, because I woke up the 1st of January with $36,000 in my Fundrise account. So what happened? Well, as you may know, in 2021, real estate has been booming, but in the case of Fundrise, even more, because they have been doing quite an amazing job at locating okay properties in good location and adding value to restorations and improving the whole apartment buildings. This time, however, something even cooler happened. While I was expecting everything to come as appreciation, I woke up on January 3rd with a notification from Fundrise saying that most of that appreciation will be distributed to all investors as dividend. Reason being, Fundrise operates as REIT, Real Estate Investment Trusts. They have a special rule that if 90% of the income of investment trusts is distributed to holders, they can avoid double taxation. If you don't know what double taxation is, in a normal world of corporations, when a corporation makes money, it has to pay taxes first. Then, when it distributes the money to the investors in the form of dividend, investors have to pay taxes on the dividends too. That's why there is a double taxation. In the case of real estate investment funds, if they're able to meet certain, let's say, guidelines given by the law, they can bypass the corporate tax and go straight to the investor and be taxed only at the investor level, meaning that tax is only paid once, meaning that the investor at the end of the day will get more money from the trust. And this is exactly what I love about this app, especially for young people. Not only they were able to avoid double taxation and give more income back to the investor, but they also were very transparent about it, and they also explained the whole process of how they went around it through an email notification and through an update. If you're brand new to this world, something like this can actually help you understand how real estate rules, corporations, and trusts work, and this is amazing in my opinion. Now, although I know that a lot of all this income will be sent back to me in form of dividend, meaning that part of that appreciation I found from January 1st will be taken out from my account, I still cannot tell you how much will be sent to me as dividend. It will come in the next few days, and I will tell you about it in my next update. Also, an extra addition to make, we went from 236 properties to 240, meaning that my portfolio is growing. So I'm ending 2021 very positively. I believe even more that this is a very good entry-level investment when it comes to real estate for young people who don't have the money to start doing rental properties and who would like to learn a little bit more. Again, this is not financial advice. I hope this video gives you some good insights about Fundrise and what I think of it and why it is a cool, let's say, application in my opinion. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And if you're invested in Fundrise, let me know how your returns are going, what you think about the app, and if you had any problems, what kind of problems were they? Thank you for watching. Ciao!